Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Nissan Altima headlights. First, gather your tools. You'll need a long Phillips head screwdriver and possibly an 8mm or 10mm socket. Next, ensure your vehicle is on a perfectly flat surface, like a garage floor. Also, confirm your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full for consistent weight distribution. Now, let's prepare your vehicle for accurate aiming. Park your Altima 25 feet away from a flat wall, ensuring it's perfectly perpendicular. Locate the small dimple on each headlight lens, which indicates the beam's center. Measure the height from the ground to this dimple, then mark that height on the wall. Finally, draw a horizontal line 2 inches below your center marks. This will be your target aim point. With your vehicle properly positioned, it's time to find the adjustment screws. Open your hood and look directly above each headlight assembly. You'll typically find a small, egg-shaped hole. Inside this hole, you should see a plastic gear or screw head, often green, designed for a Phillips head screwdriver. This screw controls the vertical aim of your headlight beam. Now for the actual adjustment. Start your engine to ensure consistent voltage. Insert your Phillips head screwdriver into the adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise usually raises the beam, while counterclockwise lowers it. Cover one headlight and adjust the other until the top edge of its beam pattern aligns with the lower line you marked on the wall. Repeat this process for the second headlight, then recheck both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.